Hey guys, so in this video I'm going to do something that's really dumb. Again, for like the 500,000th time. It's super duper dumb. It's actually not dumb. It's not a smart choice, so yeah, let's get started. I don't know what I just clicked. Oops.
If it's...
Oh.
Alright, I'm gonna go, gotta feel the water, see if it's gonna be warm. Watch me drop my camera in there.
Please don't.
Oh, it's cold!
Nuh-uh.
Oh my gosh. I don't think you want to swim in there.
No.
I mean, it's supposed to be 69 degrees on Sunday, but we're gonna be back. We're gonna be in Florida. We're gonna be back, so hey, we could be swimming when it's in about 75, 80. Alright, we're gonna do our walk.
Which way do you want to go? In there now, or do you want to go around the building?
Yeah, we gotta walk while we got a chance, because you never know what's gonna happen out here. Oh no, you gotta try to do a pull-up?
Ew!
Oh gosh, no. Oh, all over the place. Ugh. Oh, he's just looking. He's looking.
Am I gonna get, like,
I can't even see him in the camera. Where is he? Can you see him? Because I'm having troubles.
Yo, Dad, I swear to God. I literally can't even tell.
It's like looking.
Dad, I was making weird sounds to it back. I was making the sound back to it. Dad, I swear.
Oh my gosh.
What the heck is it looking for?
I don't know, maybe nuts. Let's look for some nuts.
Okay, thank God. Whew. The last time I tried one, it was...
Look at that. So it's a clementine growing out in the middle of nowhere.
Yes. Watch out, watch out. I love this song.
Let me see the close-up of that thing.
She loved me by the water.
Oh my god.
It smells?
Yeah, it does. What the heck? Only in Florida, guys, where stuff just grows wild like this. That is crazy. Wild citrus. Clementines.
I don't know how to put this.
Who would ever knew?
Floridians.
Yeah.
Oh, fuck. Oh, fuck.
Oy vey. Is it sour?
There you go.
What is it?
That tastes weird.
Really?
Can I pour a little teeny bit of that in my mouth and rinse my mouth out?
They say those wild oranges are very sour.
I think I have heartburn now.
Oy vey.
No, that didn't taste. That tasted weird.
Yeah.
It tasted like a weird version of a clementine. Well, it was sour too, but ugh.
It's getting crazy out there. You can hear the vents in the ceiling and the banging. Let's see. Oh boy. Starting to get a little bit more wicked out here. Oh man. Well, I almost feel like when you're standing outside the car, feel like have your head hanging out the window or something. Today is Saturday. Ooh, still another cold day. It's like when we had that really crazy windstorm and tornado warnings and all that. It brought the temperature down 10 to 15 degrees. Even 20. I think it might be even 20 degrees. Yeah. Like overnight. And I guess it's not going to be warmer until tomorrow. Then by Monday, it's going to get back on track in the 80s. So we'll be back to 85 degrees again. But that's the way it is around here, guys. That is the way it is. 9:49 in the morning right now. Oh, and I got a package. Huh. There's a package there. Well, that's good. I'm glad there's a package. There is a package right there. So this is what's happening today, guys. Went over to the construction site, then I did my walking around the resort, did my live stream, and all that fun stuff. But right now, got some company in the pool, so going to join them. They're just here for the day, and they're having fun. They're swimming, so they got the kids here, and I'm gonna go ahead and open my package, and then go eat because I have to eat something. I'm starving over here. Other than that, I guess it's gonna be it. It's beautiful. It really is nice. And you see the no wind like it was before. So that's a good thing, right? All right, let me grab this. My supplements. That's what's in here. Got my supplements. There we go. So put that in my room here. Gotta have my supplement. Gotta have my supplementation. All right. What is I just leave that like that. I just want to make sure. I don't know if that door's shut or not. All right. Let me go eat. All right, so got my food here. It's really good right there. And I got my smoothie. All that good stuff. So I'm gonna go eat, and then I'm gonna go out back and join my friend and his kids. And I have a plan here. I have a plan of action for those who are running out of hand sanitizer or don't have it. But I know this is even becoming an issue. Whoa, what happened to it? The isopropyl alcohol. Huh?
Oh, it's in the cabinet. Sorry.
Oh.
What was that?
All right. If you have this, 99% works. You gotta have 99%. I'm saying, if you can get your hands on this, hopefully you can somewhere, because it's gonna be a lot harder to get your hands on this stuff, like hand sanitizer, as opposed to maybe rubbing alcohol. So my suggestion is to kind of make it through this time when you have a shortage and you cannot get your hands on this stuff, to make your own. Make your own so you can have your own right here. And basically your base would be 100% aloe, okay? As long as you don't have any allergies to any of these ingredients, then hey, at least you have something to protect yourself and keep your hands clean while you're on the fly and you can't just get to something right away. And I use tea tree oil. There's just a few drops in there. And that also has like antiviral properties, and it's really good and it's natural. But be careful because this can be irritating to your skin, so don't put too much on, but just drop it and mix it in here. So basically I would take like two-thirds, let's just say this is only 70%, but I need 99%. This is for demonstration. Take 1/3 of alcohol to 2/3 of this, okay, of the aloe. So 2/3 aloe to 1/3 mixture of this, then a few drops of this. Shake it good, bada boom, hand sanitizer, okay? If you want to add a little vitamin E to it, add a little vitamin E, whatever you want to add. You want to add some coconut oil, whatever. You get the liquid coconut oil so that it doesn't harden. That way you get a little moisturization as well. So that's my recommendation. As long as you don't have any allergies to any of those ingredients, then boom, you got something that'll work for you. In a fix, it's just, this is like a do it at home project, do it yourself. Make your own hand sanitizer. So right here, making your own hand sanitizer, so it'll work like something like this, okay? And boom, all you got to do is find some of this, unless you can just find an aloe. If you got an aloe plant or something, just do that, right? But that's my suggestion, guys. If you're running short on hand sanitizer, that's one way to do it.